The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Shabba don't know nothing. Me call Shabba and tell Shabba what I go on pan internet to make him no sense and I don't go talk. And Shabba get mad. Shabba don't know nothing. Shabba don't have a telephone. Him have phone, you know. But Shabba not have a cell phone where he walk with where you can reach him for. You have to call him up. Him wife phone to talk to him. Them are wicked. I don't know who name Jashii. Me myself never know name Jashii till this come forth. So, I don't know where them are going to suffer. Shabba don't know name Jashii. I have to remember the type of music that Jashii sing. We are not into those type of music. Not saying if him have a perfect good lyric, Shabba would not give him a collab. But if his money is right and so cause Shabba is a businessman, Shabba will give him a collab. But the people have just run with the thing out of proportion too much.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, that's our skilla day here again. Big up and respect to each and every one, is it? So, a veteran Jamaican musician contacted me, Dancehall Skilla, to let me know that the Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Shabba did not know about some things that had been said about him on social media as a result of some things that a person who goes by the name of Xanadu said about a musician who goes by the name of Jashii. The person who contacted me, Dancehall Skilla, want to remain anonymous. So therefore, I only provide to you altered voice notes so that you can hear some of the things that the person said, viewers and subscribers. Alright? See? Alright, so with that, I'm going to leave it right there. And I hope that those voice notes and the things that I just told you are somewhat informative. And I'm going to move on to another topic. Alright? Now, I got information about an incident where it is said that a delivery truck driver had been shot and injured by a police officer from within the country of Jamaica. According to some things that I read in a news article, it is said that the incident happened at a place that is known as Whitfield Avenue, that's within the parish of St. Andrew, that's within the country of Jamaica. And it is said that the incident happened on the 15th of December, the year 2021. According to some more things that I read in that news article, allegedly, it is said that the police officer and the delivery truck driver was involved in a motor vehicle chase. And it is said that the delivery truck driver did not obey the police officer's request to pull over the motor vehicle. It is said that the situation resulted in the police officer wounding the delivery truck driver. It is said that the delivery truck driver had been taken to a hospital for treatment, and it is said that he is alive. Now, for you, my viewers and subscribers, to get a better understanding about the whole situation, I am going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that are from one entire video that shows some of the things that happened after the delivery truck driver stopped the delivery truck and after the delivery truck driver had been shot and injured by the police officer. The entire video also shows a certain number of persons who are said to be residents from the Whitfield Avenue area that's within the parish of St. Andrew, that's within the country of Jamaica. The entire video also shows the wounded delivery truck driver and police officers from within the country of Jamaica. In the entire video that I saw, you can hear persons yelling and shouting because of what happened. So before I present these pieces of videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, observe, and you can also tell me what you think. Observe.
You shot him! Shot him! So when shot the man from? Come tell some ear connect. Somebody to shot the man officer. Him trying to shot the man.
Alright, so there have it, viewers and subscribers, pieces of videos that are from one entire video that I saw that shows some of the things that happened at the scene of where the delivery truck driver stopped the delivery truck and after he had been wounded by the police officer. You can let me know what you think about that whole situation, and I'm going to move on to another video. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show a ex-convict from within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. Now, this person is said to be an ex-convict, and it is said that he was in prison for more than 30 years. And in this video, the person went on to explain some things that happened while he was incarcerated. Now, viewers and subscribers, let me know what I think about some of the things that this person said in this video. I'm going to tell you what I think also, you see, and I want to say big up and respect to each and every one of my viewers and subscribers within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago, alright? Anyways, here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Good morning, Trinidad and Tobago, and to the whole wide world. My name is Adrian Gokul. I did a sentence of 36 years in jail and 8 months. And I'm only hearing officers complaining, families complaining. But what I would like to tell the world today, while I was in jail for that 36 years, I can tell you all, I was by the ration room at evening where an army officer hit a prisoner for putting hiding 2 bread down in his crutch to go inside to eat for the next 14 hours. And the army slapped him, and the next 5 minutes that man dead. Nobody was charged for that murder. No officer was charged. Eustace Piper tried to escape in San Fernando. When they bring him back up, a senior officer waiting for him and jump on his neck and break his neck in Royal Jail. Nobody was never charged for that. Ansel Hutchinson alias Mice had an altercation with an officer. When they was to charge him, they killed him on the spot in Carrera. Damlochal Samsundar tried to escape in the condemn, and he was dying in the hands of officers. So I'm calling on the relevant authorities to let all officers take the anger management program and the mentor, because supervisors, when you break off your batch and you send them to various places to work, and a prisoner do something wrong, they have to bring the prisoner to the supervisor, not take the law into their own hands. This generation now are taking no disrespect from nobody. So I am calling on the prison authorities to be more skillful, because the prisoners today is not taking a kick in the face like how I will get a kick in the face in the 70s and 80s and take it. So I'm calling on the officers, be more caution, do all the work right, don't push a prisoner to anger. Stop pushing prisoners to anger. Officers, stop it, because the prisoners today wouldn't have the belly I have to take a kick in the face like how Mr. Punchan, who is the commissioner of prison right now, when he was 6 months as a green man, hit me a lash in my head and I bleed in my brain for more than 18 days. So the officers have to stop taking the law into their own hand. Try to report a prisoner now. If a prisoner commit an act, you report him. Don't beat him up and things, because if prisoners not taking no lash. So when I hear people say, oh God, that officer was a good officer, officers is good people and prisoners is also good people too. But when you push a prisoner, he will retaliate, and that is what's going on. So I'm calling on the relevant authorities to let these officers start to pray, let them start to do anger management and mentor, because a prisoner will never hurt an officer jashii, or a person will never hurt an officer jashii or call a shot on an officer. So officers have to know the place now. They have to know the place and they have to do the right thing. I know what goes on in prison. I was there for 36 years. I used to condemn the remandees. But when you look at it, these remandees is not doing nothing wrong. I was begging them, oh God, all this stuff doing officers, that and thing. But when I pull up my socks and I look at it, officers is the one that be the aggressor. So I want officers to start to take anger management so they will be cool when they handling a situation. And when they cannot handle a situation, let them call the supervisor. So the supervisor will come and handle it. When they take the law into their own hands, they just have problem. And it's that what is going on. So this is my first part of my confession concerning prison. I will get back to you all next week. So may the good Lord bless and keep you all. Officers, stop pushing the prisoners to anger. I know, only know what I am talking about. Because I see a lot of things here where I could go and complain and get officers locked up, and I never do that. So officers, stop pushing the prisoners to anger, please.
Alright, my people, so there you have it. Dancehall Skilla always trying best to keep you up to date and posted, let them know what's going on. Big up my viewers and subscribers within Trinidad and Tobago. Big up each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? Yeah, the things that the man said in that video, though, viewers and subscribers, are some things that I think should be looked into. I know that some persons might say prisoners do wrong and so forth, and they put themselves in that situation where they had been convicted and so forth. But even so be the case, even though they had done things that are wrong and had been convicted and so forth, you see me? Two wrongs don't make a right. You know? I think that's supposed to explain what I'm trying to say. You see me? Yeah, two wrongs don't make a right. So even though the person did something that is wrong, or even though those persons did things that are wrong, two wrongs don't make it right. See? So yeah, so I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and every one. And if you're new to my channel, do not be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Want to big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla!